Yeah. Now it's on.
Hello. Say hi to the daddy. Hi, daddy. So hi. My name is Gwendolyn Rose Olson, and I am almost 6 weeks old.
And I'm ridiculously cute.
Very cute. And I am learning how to pick up my head all by myself.
And she's been doing since like day 2.
But she's doing a really good job now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Want to go lay in your room? On the floor and try to pick your head up? She doesn't like to be by herself. So anytime we put her down in the crib, she starts to fuss. But as long as we're with her, she's okay. Want to go play? Let's go play. Let's go play. Let's go play. Let's go play. Yeah. This is Gwenny's room. Kind of a mess right now. That's Mommy's fault. I've been a little bit lazy when it comes to cleaning up her stuff. I need a little bit of help with the blanket, Dad, if you don't mind. Big girl. Oh. Okay. Ready? Oh, so tired. So rough being you. Such a rough life. Ready to go? You play with Mommy's hair. You play with Mommy's hair. There we go. And just put your arms out like that. Look at her. Pick that head up, girl. Look at you.
There you go, Pumpkin.
Look at you. Good girl. Ooh, bless you. Just get those back legs going. Let me tell you what.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. What are you doing over there? Your mommy next to you. What are you doing? Pick that head up. Pick it up. You okay? Look at Daddy.
Pumpkin.
Look at Daddy.
Hi, Pumpkin.
Hi, Daddy. Look at you, big girl.
There you go.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Daddy's on camera. What?
Pumpkin.
Daddy's calling you.
Pumpkin.
Hi.
Come here, baby girl.
Go see Daddy. Go get him. That face. Let me go get the daddy. Go get him. He's right there. Go get him. Don't eat the blankie. It's a girl. It's a girl. Look at you. Go get the daddy. Daddy. Go get him. Go get him. Get him. Get to Daddy. Yeah.
Uh-oh, she spit up.
Oh no! That's okay. We'll put this in the wash. No big deal. Watch, babies. Here, let's move you so you don't lay in that. Nope. There we go. You got it, Pumpkin. What are you saying, Sissy? What are you saying? Oh, your feet are cold. Look at that face. Look at that face.
There you go, Pumpkin.
Look at you. You're doing such a good job, Jessie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Pick it up. Pick it up. Look at you. Good girl. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, she spit up bad, Daddy. Oh, no. Okay. Okay.
Oh no, Pumpkin.
Okay, let's get you cleaned up. Let's get you cleaned up. Munchkins. Oh my, no, it's all over. It's all over. You're not gonna like this part, but